Assalamu alaikum, Musawwir here. In this video, we will implement dark theme with BLoC in Flutter. Go to pubspec.yaml file, and here we need to add two dependencies, Flutter BLoC and shared preferences. Click on the Get Packages button on the top right corner. Now create a core folder under lib and then create theme folder inside core. Here we will create three dot files, theme underscore block, theme underscore event, and theme underscore state. Now we will create theme state class with theme data in it, and we'll set this through constructor. And don't forget to import material package here because we are using theme data in this class, and theme data is part of material package. Now we will create theme event interface class, and this interface will be implemented by all the event classes. For now we will create only two, fetch theme event and update theme event. Update theme event will have a bool variable is dark mode, and we'll set this variable through constructor. Now let's create theme block class and extend it with block and pass theme event and theme state classes. Import relevant files as well. Implement class constructor, and by default we will set light theme. We have to add two event listeners for fetch theme event and update theme event. Now we need a repository to store theme data, so let's create a new repository folder under core and then create theme repository abstract class in it. Here we will add two methods, isDark and update theme mode. Now we will create a new class, local theme repository, which implements theme repository. Here we have to override two methods which we have created in the theme repository class. But for that we need some storage, and for that let's create a local storage interface. And this interface will have only two methods for now, setBool and getBool. Now let's create a shared preference local storage which implements a local storage interface. And to implement getBool and setBool, we need to import shared preference package here in this file. And using this, we can easily implement these two methods, setBool and getBool. After that, we will go back to local theme repository and create local storage instance, and it will be set through class constructor. And we will use this local storage instance to implement isDark method. Here we need a key to store our isDark value in shared preference. So let's create a util folder under a core folder and define isDark key in the local storage key class. And using this we can easily set and get bool values. Now in theme block class we can use theme repository, and in fetch theme event listener we will call isDark method and emit relevant state with either light or dark theme data. And for update theme event listener we will call update theme mode, and if it's updated successfully then we can return relevant state here as well. With this we have completed our BLoC implementation here. Now in the main file we have to wrap my app with a multi-provider widget, and then we'll provide theme block and with all the required parameters, and also add fetch theme event to it. Now wrap material app with block builder and pass theme data using block state instead of hard-coded value. Lastly, we have to add a switch here so we can switch between dark and light themes. Wrap this switch with the block builder as well. Whenever switch value changes, we add update theme event to BLoC event stream. One last thing, let's create an extension for theme data and put isDark logic there. Then use this isDark in the switch value. That's it. Now let's run the app and see the magic. Switch is working perfectly. Now let's kill the app and see if local storage works. App opens in the dark mode, which means local storage is also working fine. I have pushed this code to my GitHub repository. If you want to see the code, you can find the link in the description below.